Ladies and gentlemen, we're here today to announce a very important program which has been the culmination of some months of consultation across the tourism industry and the Fijian government. We're actually excited to finally witness its completion through today's launch. So, ladies and gentlemen, we've managed to stand out from the rest of the world and are now demonstrating our ability to safely welcome visitors back to our shores. And the Care Fiji Commitment program is Fiji's obligation to the health and the safety of everyone living in and traveling to Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, it is crucial that consumers see and recognize the changes, and also that they are assured that Fiji is not only the best holiday destination, but the safest. And this is precisely what the Care Fiji Commitment program is all about. Now, it goes without saying, ladies and gentlemen, that for a small island nation in the Pacific, Fiji has done phenomenally well in containing the spread of COVID-19. And outside of border quarantine, we have 0 cases, and fortunate to be able to call ourselves COVID contained. Ladies and gentlemen, we must all remember that this isn't by luck, but by the proactive measures taken by the Fijian government. The program aims to extend the same level of care to all our international visitors and optimize the sector-wide recovery efforts. We will achieve this by ensuring that the Fijian tourism industry adopts minimum standards of health and hygiene practices. The initiative provides added confidence to those who are contemplating a visit to our beautiful shores, and also that Fiji is a safe place to travel to. Ladies and gentlemen, when the borders open, the visitor expectations will change dramatically. It already has. What was once at our advantage may no longer be. So while relaxing in a tropical getaway might still be on visitors' minds, they will also be searching for a destination that has best practice COVID-19 containment measures. In other words, they will be seeking reassurance that their holiday destination is a safe place to travel. Ladies and gentlemen, back in July 2020, as part of the Fijian COVID Safe Economic Recovery Framework, COVID Safe Operational Guidelines for the Fijian tourism industry were actually launched. And this was to guide tourism businesses into the new reality and to reinstill trust in the Fijian brand. The Care Fiji Commitment builds on these guidelines and highlights the importance of restoring confidence through safety and security protocols designed to reduce risks at each step of the tourism value chain. The program gives the industry the tools, the training, and the resources they need to comply with these guidelines. It actually also gives consumers consistency about what they can expect, no matter where they go in Fiji. It also outlines the steps to be taken in case there is a case and how to respond. But like all great ideas and concepts, it needs your support and to be able to achieve this purpose. We need our businesses, we need our hotels, our tour operators, and every Fijian to come on board and stand in solidarity with us as we will make this commitment together. Present with me today, ladies and gentlemen, is a team from Tourism Fiji who will elaborate further, and I'm confident that this program will play a significant role in Tourism Fiji's market re-entry plans and encourage all businesses and industry stakeholders to adopt the program and actually play their part. Ladies and gentlemen, before I actually conclude, I want to acknowledge our healthcare and disciplinary forces and frontline heroes for their tireless efforts and commitment in keeping all Fijians safe. In fact, in this very room, we have some key people who continue to ensure safe economic recovery, and these include Dr. Fong and also Permanent Secretary Shaheen Ali. Ladies and gentlemen, the border may not be open as yet, but I'm proud to say that when it does, we will be in a state of readiness to welcome visitors back. But until that happens, our message to the world remains that our Bula spirit awaits you. With those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I officially launch the Care Fiji Commitment for Fiji. Thank you very much. Minawalewa.